Hey y'all, and welcome back to the channel. It's springtime and everybody's going to be ready to do some spring cleaning. So I'm going to start doing a few cleaning videos. I'm going to share with y'all today the first one, and I'm going to show you again how to make Dawn Powerwash. It's great to have. You can use it on your stove, your dishes, your counters, and I've even heard where people use it on their tires to clean the metal part on their rims. So y'all come on, and I'm going to show you this quick little video how to make homemade Dawn Powerwash. It'll come out to around 50 cents compared to spending $5 and $6. All you need is a bottle that'll do a mist spray. Or save your recycled bottle if you bought Dawn Powerwash and refill it. This recipe fits the Dawn Powerwash bottles just perfect. So y'all come on and let's get started. This is the bottle I'm using. It's one of the mist spray bottles that sprays like a mist, just like the Dawn Powerwash. So if you can find some of these like at your dollar store or even Walmart, this one actually came from an essential oil company, and I've been using it for my Dawn Powerwash. We made this last year and everybody loved it. That video done real great, so I thought I'd share again some homemade Dawn Powerwash. It's getting time to do a lot of house cleaning. Let's get started. Okay, to make the Dawn Powerwash, you'll need some Dawn dish detergent, some rubbing alcohol, and I'm going with the 50%. You could use the other if that's what you have, but this is just the one we have, so that's what we're using. And you'll need a cup of water. That's all it takes to make homemade Dawn Powerwash. Okay, we've measured out 1 cup of water from our filter. You could use a bottle of water or even your tap water if that's all you had. But we've measured out our filtered water and we got 1 cup. And then to that we're going to add 2 tablespoons of the rubbing alcohol. And then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of our Dawn detergent. Now y'all can tell we've had this bottle a long time. We use a lot of Dawn. I refill this little bottle. So now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of the Dawn detergent. And you could just eyeball this if you wanted to and not have to measure it with the Dawn. And then we're just going to give that a mix. Now what we do with our Dawn is we buy this big bottle at Sam's, and it's like $16. And every time I need Dawn in my little bottle, I just refill it. So that is a money saving tip for y'all on this video also. If you use a lot of Dawn detergent, check out Sam's and get it in the 1 gallon bottle with the built-in pump. That saves a lot of money. Because right now, these little bottles have gone up to like $1.39. And I refill this little bottle a lot of times with this big pump. And now we'll just mix that up again to make sure we got it good. And now we're going to take our reusable mist spray bottle, or if you saved your Dawn detergent bottle, just open it, and you'll need to use a funnel. Or maybe you can eyeball it and get it in there, but for the video, I know I'll make a mess. I'm going to use a funnel. We're just going to pour it slow. Try not to go too fast or it'll bubble up on you till we get it all in there. Okay, now that we got it all in there, we're going to take our funnel out and set it to the side. And we're just going to add our little pump to it. Okay. And now we're ready. We made us some homemade Dawn Powerwash. I'm going to clean the top of this oven and show y'all how it works. Okay, y'all can see all those little marks on it where it's still got a little bit of oil from frying food I just wiped off. Now we're going to use this Dawn Powerwash and let you see how it works. You can see that it gives you that little bit of lather to scrub with and get it clean, just like the one you pay $6. And look at that, what it's getting off of there. Now you can tell a big difference just in that little bit of washing that I tried to do while I'm holding the camera. But this right here works great. I hope y'all give it a try. It'll save you a lot of money. Okay y'all, that's our quick little video on making us some homemade Dawn Power Wash. I hope you like this video, and if you like it and you think other people you know would be interested in it, share it. It helps our channel grow. And don't forget to give us that thumbs up. It lets that YouTube algorithm know that people are out there looking to figure out how to save money and do stuff themselves. Times are hard, money's tight, and we all got to work together to save what we can. Thanks for watching.